Not Usne being the big sister and the peacemaker and the humbled soul of the family. Welcome to our house, and we are back with Izingani Zestimbu. Snare has decided to be the sane part in the family, and Ugo is doing a great job. Now, there was an encounter between Usne and Umpumelelo, right? In that encounter, Usne felt some type of way. And because Usne felt some type of way, Usne addressed it with Utirelo, who is the initial creator of the conversation. What was the conversation? The conversation was around Utirelo telling Usbindi Uguti they went drinking, and it was insinuated Uguti Usne is the one that is bringing this one to the alcoholism, right? Now that they solved that on their game drive and they were able to speak about it, I thought Uguti Utirelo in the bedroom will discuss it with the husband, but Tirelo decided to put it on the table. And when Utirelo put the matter on the table, it did not land well. Yes, it did not land well with Usbindi. Usbindi did not want to hear it. Usbindi did not want to hear anything in J. And that for me was like getting acceptable to an extent. Yoguti Usbindi did mention to the siblings Uguti, I do not want you in my marriage, I do not want you in my business. But we tend to not concentrate when a people or when somebody speaks. Now Ugai left the table and everybody was sitting there. Nothing was said, but it made Utirelo look in a bad light because it made her look like a person who wants to spite Usbindi in order to be in the good books Zigasne. The lunch did not go well. Even the game drive for me did not go well because the game drive, its ultimate purpose was to ask Umahle questions. Umahle was asked uncomfortable questions about her relationships. Utirelo was asking questions as if she is the sister-in-law or mother-in-law light, which I did not understand, it did not make sense for me. But do you think Uguti Utirelo and Usbindi will last past this season? Let us know what you think, but please do not forget to do the most important thing, and that is to like, share, and subscribe. And when you feel like you are out of content, please do go to our previous videos and watch those too.